What's the meaning of breve? Breve. Breve.
Breve. Breve. The term breve has different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In music, a breve is a symbol indicating a very long note value equivalent to 2 whole notes. In linguistics, a breve is a diacritic mark used to indicate a short pronunciation of a vowel sound in certain languages, such as Latin. In typography, a breve is a curved diacritical mark placed over certain letters to indicate a specific pronunciation. Overall, the term breve usually refers to a short, concise and specific notation or marking that serves to distinguish or emphasize something in a particular field of study.